Ay, nakabuhi.
Yes, that animal with black and white stripe, these are zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. They spend the majority of their day eating stems and leaves. When not eating, they do the opportunity to sleep. They can sleep standing up because they have a locking joints. They also sleep in a large group so they can be alert on predators. Their striped coat are unique like fingerprints because no two other zebra having the same pattern. And there's antelope with white on their face. These are blackback, abundant in South Africa and a top choice for local hunters for meat and outcome. The white on their face serves as sunscreen protection. Again, these are zebra and the blackback. Still on your right, that antelope with rough coat, long shaggy hair. These are waterback, found throughout sub-Saharan Africa. The waterback is the most stinky on young antelopes. The older they get, the stinkier they become. Again, these are the waterback.
Surrender sa Taklaw.
Sorry, please. And we have here that antelope with straight hair, that is eland. Eland is the largest antelope in the world, both in terms of size and weight. It can stand up to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. A female eland has 3 times the nutritious milk than a male.
Hello.
And this antelope with maleficent horn, that is greater kudu. Also one of the tallest and longest horned antelope, known for becoming motionless when sensing danger to blend into the woodlands. Again, these are eland and the greater kudu.
Africa.